The blogger took Page's unsourced opinion that global warming won't be a problem for another 200 years and attributed it to scientists from NASA. Wait, what is right? Look, I understand we can't spend our days checking every bit of information that comes our way, and we may not even have the expertise to do that. But if a piece of information makes you go, wait, what? And seems to run counter to prevailing science and isn't being reported by the quality media, it can't hurt to check the source. People who copy and paste this stuff on their own blogs have an even greater duty to check its veracity. Remember, the opposite of skeptical is gullible. But after wading through all the blunders and the bullshit, the NASA study is important. The warming effect of carbon dioxide is well understood because it's basic physics. Even skeptics, I mean real skeptics who are actual climate scientists, accept that carbon dioxide causes warming and even agree on how much warming. Where more research needs to be done is the question of sensitivity, and that's why positive and negative feedbacks are being quantified. The idea that evapotranspiration is one of these feedback systems is not a new one, but the question is, how much of an effect will it have? Even NASA's model may have to be revised, because research that was published after NASA's model was put together shows that evapotranspiration rates are in fact declining, so the negative feedback may turn out to be a lot less. It's interesting that the Register chose to put a quote from Bonneau at the top of the Page article. Important to get these things right. Well, I couldn't agree more. Perhaps they should have taken that advice on board. Every week I see claims like this, that there's some new proof that climate change theory is all wrong, and that scientists are now having to abandon the theory of climate change. Potholer's law holds true because it only takes 15 minutes to make up a myth and post it on a blog. But it usually takes days of painstaking work to try to track down where the myth comes from, read the relevant research papers, and write a detailed rebuttal complete with references. In this particular case, a debunk was very easy, because the source was right there, and anyone who's skeptical can see where Page went wrong. Even so, in the few hours it's taken me to put this debunk together, someone else could have invented 5 new myths that have already been posted. Inevitably, they're going to pop up faster than they can be whacked down.